I'm on an adventure today. I just bought a new drone and I'm going to learn how to use it. I'm gonna get to a spot here and show you a vantage point where I'm going to try and get some drone footage. Just kind of show you where I plan on going. We're a little obstructed with this, but basically I'm gonna end up there. There's where we were, and there is where I'm planning to go. A little bit of a mission to get up to the top of that. We're gonna try though. I just wanted to spin around and show you this view and show you where we're going. Up there is where I plan on trying to release the drone. So we made it this far. I've been up here before. Just wasn't sure how it was going to be with the heat, but I think we're gonna press on. All right, we're making some headway. Should have brought my GoPro today. Whoa. Is that an eagle? What is that up there? Condor? Turkey vulture? I can't tell. I don't know if you can see where I just came from, but just try to get that in the shot. And that's where we're going. Almost there. It's gonna be awesome. Not optimum light for the camera. It's so bright. The sun is so high right now. It's like 11 o'clock or something, so we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna have to ditch the bike here. It's about as far as I can make it. And over there is Simi Reservoir. So you can see down into this canyon. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's just pretty much really steep and rocky. I just can't make any more headway with the bike. I'm gonna hike the rest of it. Here we go. Okay, so I'm at the top. Let's see what it looks like with the drone.